Hey there, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to Food Fact for You. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Wagyu cattle, those legendary bovines renowned for their extraordinary meat. But before we separate fact from fiction, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our delicious content. Let's get started. Wagyu cattle, highly revered and celebrated in the world of beef, originate from Japan and are known for their exceptional quality, taste, and texture. Today, we delve into the intriguing realm of Wagyu cattle, separating the facts from the myths that surround their rearing and care. Wagyu cattle are no ordinary bovines. They are a breed apart, specifically the Japanese Wagyu. Their claim to fame lies in the remarkable marbling of intramuscular fat, giving the meat an unparalleled tenderness and succulence. There's a romanticized notion that these cattle receive daily massages, a story that has transcended borders and become somewhat of a legend. While it's true that Wagyu cattle are raised with care and attention to their well-being, the reality is that manual massages aren't the norm. Instead, modern technology, in the form of specialized massaging machines, is employed to ensure the comfort of these animals. Then, there's the delightful tale of bathing the cattle in beer during their washes. It paints a charming picture, but alas, it is more folklore than fact. In truth, the cows are not bathed in beer. Rather, they are meticulously cleaned and cared for to maintain their hygiene and health. The soothing strains of classical music playing in the background of the cattle barns is another element of this fabled narrative. However, reality steps in to debunk this myth. While a serene environment is indeed essential for the well-being of the cattle, farmers in Japan do not actively provide a musical playlist to their bovine charges. And what about the beer? The idea of Wagyu cattle sipping beer is endearing but not accurate. Instead, their care revolves around the right nutrition, attention, and a nurturing environment. However, what is undeniably true is that the quality of Wagyu meat is deeply influenced by the meticulous care, specialized diet, and vigilant attention the cattle receive. Each animal is lovingly tended to and carefully monitored by the farmers. The living conditions of these prized cattle have evolved over time. In the past, they were predominantly kept indoors due to land preservation concerns for human food production, primarily rice. The tradition of massaging the cattle stemmed from their limited movement in confined spaces, aimed at keeping their muscles supple and healthy. The rationale behind offering the cattle a sip of beer is equally fascinating. During warmer periods, the cattle's appetite tends to decrease, posing concerns about their growth. To counter this, a bit of beer was given to them, providing moisture for sweating, calories for growth, and, interestingly, the alcohol stimulated their appetite. This exceptional meat comes at a price, a premium one at that. The investment mirrors the exceptional quality of Wagyu meat, with its remarkable marbling making it more tender and flavorful compared to conventional steaks. Prices start at a minimum of €100 per kilogram, reflecting its prize status in the culinary world. For those seeking to indulge in this extraordinary culinary experience, a visit to a reputable Japanese restaurant is highly recommended. Wagyu meat offers a unique texture and color, less red than the usual, but with an unforgettable taste that justifies the cost. In conclusion, the legend of Wagyu cattle is a blend of truth and myth, each adding to the allure of this exceptional breed. While they may not receive daily massages or enjoy classical symphonies, the care and attention they do receive significantly contribute to the unparalleled quality of Wagyu beef, a true delicacy in the world of gastronomy. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, keep exploring the culinary wonders of the world, and remember, it's not just about what you eat, but the stories behind the food that truly make the feast.